The path to autonomous transportation relies on a diverse array of sensors continuously perceiving the vehicle's environment. Clear perception in all weather conditions and resistance to sensor soiling is essential for fully autonomous vehicles at level 3 and beyond, as any distortion can compromise safety. Introducing the Sensor Cleaning System by KAYSER. The intelligent cleaning solution for advanced driver assistance and autonomous mobility. Vehicle ADAS ECU analyzes all sensor data and triggers targeted cleaning when dirt is detected. KAYSER Sensor Cleaning System receives the signals and adapts the cleaning strategy to the sensor type and contamination level, combining water from the common windshield fluid tank with pressurized air. The system is designed to maximize efficiency and minimize cleaning fluid usage, thanks to special in-house designed components. KAYSER Automotive Systems. Vision for the automotive future.